Hi, I'm Ursula from Unbelievable. A couple of years ago, I found Noughty. My husband became quite unwell and it made me really aware of all the harsh chemicals that are in all the products that we use, so I looked to switch to a more natural hair care product. So today I'm going to use the Noughty First Aid Conditioning and Detangling Spray. This is great for me because it's lightweight, it adds moisture when my hair's feeling dry and it detangles. So I've just washed my hair with Noughty's To The Rescue shampoo and conditioner, and now I'm going to show you how to apply the First Aid Spray. I'm going to start by applying it to the mid-lengths and ends. And I've got quite thick hair, so I need quite a bit. But the great thing about this is that you can tailor it to your hair type. And even if you do need a lot like I do, it won't weigh your hair down. It smells so nice as well, it's really coconutty. So now I'm going to comb it through to make sure it's evenly spread through my hair before I blow dry. Now I'm just going to blow dry my hair as normal. So here's the end result. I really love how smooth it feels, and it just goes to show that you don't have to use products with silicone in to get really healthy looking hair. So there you have it. I hope that was useful. Thanks for watching.